So the gentleman was able to reform and put on big concert, courtesy of our party. Our party. I tell you, you need to believe in us. Insurance for entertainers. We are doing it. I say we would have done it and we are doing it big. Our party. I tell you, you need to believe in us. Insurance for entertainers. We are doing it. I say we would have done it and we are doing it big. All you have to do is believe. I say you need to what? Believe in our party. And I know that many of you inside here are concerned about crime and violence in this country. But I can tell you that this is the party that for the second year in a row has seen a reduction in crime. And I know that is not just about gun crimes you're worried about. You're more worried about the organized crime. Persons in different agencies and institutions and commissions who are hiding behind agencies. But I can promise you that we'll be naming them and shaming them. In less than a week we'll be showing faces. And I can guarantee you that if they are the grass, this party is the lawnmower because we'll be cutting them down. Ladies and gentlemen, I know for a fact that I want to thank you from the depths of my heart for the hard work you have been doing. I come down here and I see what you're doing. The dance classes, the videographers, the entertainers, the artists, the musicians. I want to thank you and remind you that this is just the beginning, because from my personal funds, I wish to pledge $1 million of grant to continue your work. And of course, your government will be providing free Wi-Fi for those who want to be tick and talking, because you're TikTokers by profession. And we know that we'll encourage and enable your growth and creativity. All you must remember to do is place your X squarely at the right place. I thank you.